You recording me? Why are you recording me for? Hey.
Ignore the wire.
Did you shake it? You better not shake it. Is this a better appeal?
Oh my God! What? Wait. What? Oh man! Oh, work it, baby, girl. Caught me by surprise right now. I didn't expect to see. Is your twin brother here? The other guy, or?
That guy's no bueno.
Common things you can find in Andy's garage: beer, random bolts.
You want it?
More beer. Oh, did you put that Coke in there for me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you love me so much. I knew it. Yeah, I'll take this off. Over here at Andy's garage. I told you not to close this. Leave this one open. Close the other one.
You said the other thing, you dumbass.
God, this guy. Swear to God. Does this light even work? Does anything in this garage work?
I gotta run an extension cord to it.
All these toolboxes and nothing works.
Sorry.
Alright, so we're over here. I'm gonna try to help him.
Show him my setup!
Yes, you have very expensive toolboxes. Congratulations on the debt. I think we're gonna try if we can get something done, not mess around. We're gonna try to work on the Ratrod, I guess, since he refuses to. I have to come over here and force him to do it. What are you doing?
You want to tell my viewers what
Nobody cares. Nobody. Are your viewers even active anymore?
Yes.
Yeah. You don't post. You don't do nothing. Everyone thinks you're retired.
I'm just telling you, bro, that I'm just showing all my followers that I actually.
You don't have any more followers. They all left because you weren't posting.
I'm pissed off my wife.
I'm really feeling like we're not gonna get anything done.
Gosh.
And he's just sitting
Should I
here
fire up the truck and piss off my wife?
social mediaing.
Whoever says yes, I'll do it. I just need one.
Don't start it. We're about to wrench on it.
No. If someone tells me, I'm just waiting for someone to tell me yes.
No one's gonna say
It
yes.
just takes one.
If you wait 24 hours, someone's gonna say it. Yes, you can't wait.
It's gonna come right now.
No one's saying nothing. Nobody wants to hear it.
Oh, you said yes.
Oh God. I'm surprised it runs, to be honest with you. It started in like 3 months.
What are you talking about, man?
The world's squeakiest jack. You knocked that fucking gas. Damn, bro, what's up with that belly?
You're such an asshole.
First of all, shove back up. First of all, it's so hairy. Stop trying to tuck it in. We know you're fat already.
Get out of here.
So what are we done?
Trying to take the stupid drive shaft off.
Why are we taking a drive shaft off?
Because I put 3 times the power that this transmission should take. Like we did to the cylinder head a while back. We sprayed too much nitrous and they couldn't handle it.
And
by the way, I'm very upset.
why?
I haven't told you that.
Bro.
I'm gonna call Frankenstein on Monday and be like, how come you sponsored the Bullet? It's only gonna make the product look ugly. Because your car's hideous. And it's covered by...
My car is not hideous.
Your car's hideous, bro.
We're looking for people who actually race.
I don't need to go to the freaking
Not
track.
people who just do this.
I don't need to go to the track every single weekend just to improve something. My truck improves every time I go somewhere, bro.
I don't like to race because I don't like to race.
You kind of lost your train of thought.
I'm trying to keep it PG.
You definitely screwed that up.
You didn't answer my question.
What?
Why are we taking this out?
Why are we doing it now?
Why are we taking it off? The drive shaft, why are we taking it off? To take the transmission now. Why are you taking the transmission out?
Because I already told you, because we put 3 times the pound of the time of power
So,
that it takes.
but why?
And I'm waiting for his.
Oh, you haven't got accepted here? We're gonna keep taking the transmission out. My battery's about to die. I need to go grab the battery. What?
Hey, quick question.
What? got a little gut, couldn't get
You
up.
think 1320 heard our podcast?
I don't know. He didn't.
Kyle said I'm gonna put a hit out.
No, he did.
I'll leave your truck on blocks next time.
If you guys haven't seen that video, I'm gonna post a link right here. But it's the podcast Andy and I did. Professional shit
Right
talker.
here.
Yeah, right there. Anyways, I can get a battery for this thing, so we'll take a small commercial break.
Let's get back to work.
It's commercial break.
Oh.
Watch your face.
Come on! Yeah.
Yeah.
Easiest transmission ever?
You gonna pull that thing out or what?
I'm trying to.
What's taking so long?
Fucking lines, dude.
My old headers, my old turbos. You know what? It's been a while since we did a video of your truck, you know that?
Huh?
It's been a while since we did a video of your truck.
Dude, I want one to do the...
Not like a video, like a regular video like this, like a video.
Yeah, I know what you mean. We need to do one cruising down the freeway, bro.
Well, yeah.
It's the best thing in the world.
Do it all.
Home slides. Dude, my wife's gonna kill me with all this fucking oil everywhere.
The just for men's wearing off.
Huh?
The just for men's wearing off.
What are you talking about? Here.
Oh God, the whole motor moves.
You gotta get the jack and lift it up a little bit.
Oh, in the front? Or what? Can you tilt it forward?
Tilt it over. Ladies and gents, this is the ground cable to the ground screw to my fence brake. That works.
Oh God. What if the transmission wasn't burnt and it just didn't have good ground? Oh yeah, converters are out. That's cool.
Is that supposed to be like that, those marks?
Yeah, I think so.
They're gouged like crazy.
No. Comment down below. Are those marks supposed to be there?
Dude, look at that, how rough that is.
Move your finger, I'll put an arrow right there. Got a little leaky from the, oh no, that's from the fluid coming out of the converter.
Yeah. Josh, can you seriously freaking stop making it leak? God. 0%. Right, 1, 2, 3.
It's a bad idea.
What are you doing? Come show us, dude.
It's over.
This is what a 129 does.
Leave a comment down below. Is this normal? Leave a comment. Is that normal?
Dude, that's crazy, dude. Should I get a new one?
Yeah, definitely should get a new one. I don't think it's gonna blow back up. Power Glide. FTI cover, but extra racing sticker on it. It's weird. Alright, so that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for us today. Obviously, this is just further proof that Andy can't do anything by himself. He always needs me to come help him because he's just not very motivated.
I was gonna take the transmission out today myself.
You really was.
Dude, I always take them out by myself.
By yourself? I'm here every time
Why?
you take the transmission out.
Were you here when we put the transmission in the last time? No.
I'm only our I'm not the eye.
What happened the last time that you weren't here?
A remove
Do you
only.
remember?
Reinstall is another
Do you
department.
remember what happened when I put it on?
No.
When you weren't here?
What happened? What happened?
You remember?
No, what happened?
We put the transmission on, we did everything, we tried kicking it. Like, where's
Oh,
the
yeah.
flex plate?
You guys was explain.
Like, we went through the whole job, and I was like...
That's why he needs me. Anyways, that's it. We're gonna wrap it up here. What should I say? Make sure you're subscribed. Should I ask people to subscribe to my channel?
We have a surprise coming.
Anyways, hit that subscribe button, and we're gonna do what, Andy?
Get back to work.
Get back to work.